Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This beautiful matte gray Street Glide is done and on its way home. So we did the NVS Audio Stage 3. We added horn tweeters to the mirror holes, mats, mid-bass drivers in the fairing, mats, PA601 coax in the lowers, and the Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the bags. We did a Sound Digital evox 800.4 for the mids and the evox 800.1 for the mid-bass. This bike sounds amazing. I'm super happy with it. Stinger upgraded battery under the seat. She's good to go. She's ready to go home. Radio's flashed, of course. DSR1 DSP on this one. Wiring's nice and clean. Quick disconnects, of course.